I'm EJ Dangla. Good evening. 6th District Board Member Alfonso Bince Jr. said on Monday after the regular session,
service to the public by delivering useful and important information is a commitment of Talk TV Global. The province of Pangasinan is an ocean of information. To sail in this ocean and carry out the company's mission, a vessel is created, Pangasinan Watch. People's everyday life creates stories, and Pangasinan Watch is here to broadcast. Pangasinan Watch provides the global audience with local information. It will tell stories and the society will know.
And that was today's latest news and information in the province of Pangasinan. I'm EJ Dangla, and this is Pangasinan Watch of Talk TV Global, broadcasting from Pangasinan to the world.
Lifestyle and Beauty TV is Talk TV Global's weekly lifestyle-themed show that gives trendcasts on updates focusing on trends on beauty, fashion, healthcare, and lifestyle news. This program isn't just a parade of spectacles, but will be a destination for the latest guide to provide people with practical and everyday solutions that spring from our fast-paced environment. Wondering where to spend your vacation and leisure time? Then you can use some tips from EJ as he narrates to you his exhilarating travel adventures and unforgettable experiences through your official web travel guide, travel.com. Let your mouth water as EJ sifts through his destinations every corner for food trips, and plunge into a pool of fun and excitement on travel.com, where adventure never stops. Talk TV is your online source of recipes concocted by guests such as chefs and others who just love to cook. But this is not your typical cooking show. Aside from the new recipes you will learn from the show, you will also get to know the guests as they chat with the host Vanch Padilla, who enthusiastically digs in their thoughts with jests and quips during the chat.